Alright, so this is my Subrosa Salvador Dirt. This bike is awesome, so if you're looking to buy it, I mean, I would. I did, so. I mean, really light, you know, custom. I got a custom, but doesn't come that way. Overall, it's never let me down. I mean, this bike is really, really sweet. But yeah, so if you're looking to buy it, it's the Salvador Dirt. There is the street one too, but honestly there's no difference. It just, you got that right there, which makes it kind of longer and stronger for, you know, big jumps and stuff, and I don't know, maybe a little bit more heavier. Yeah, that don't matter. It's really light. You can use it for street too. It's just a name. So that's about it. I mean, if you're looking to buy this bike, I'd recommend it because it is really good. So that's Subrosa Salvador Dirt.
Window of time. My arrangements are quick to shut down your power.